You bought an electric car partly to save money. No more gas, fewer trips to the mechanic, maybe even a tax credit. Then your insurance quote comes back and it's hundreds of dollars a year higher than the gas car that you traded in. What happened? Here's the number that surprises people. On average, electric vehicles cost about 49% more to insure than comparable gas cars. And Teslas sit near the top of that range. The average Tesla costs around $4,500 a year to insure, while the national average across all cars is closer to $3,000. That's a big gap, and most EV owners never get a straight explanation for it. So that's what this video is. I'm gonna explain exactly why electric cars, and Teslas in particular, cost more to insure, and then give you the specific ways to bring that number down. Stick with me because there's one option Tesla owners have in more than a dozen states that can cut the bill significantly, and a lot of people don't know it exists. My name is Eric Hunsker, and this is InsuranceWise. Why EVs cost more to insure? The short answer is repair costs. Insurance pricing comes down to one question more than any other. When something goes wrong, how much does the company have to pay to fix it? With electric cars, the answer is a lot. And there are a few specific reasons why. First, the repairs themselves are more expensive and more complicated. EVs are packed with sensors, specialized electronics, and systems that need specific tools and trained technicians to fix. A fender bender that would be a simple bumper job on a gas car can turn into a much bigger bill on an EV because of the sensors and wiring built into that area. The average Tesla repair runs over $5,500, which is well above what a typical gas car costs to fix. Second is the parts problem. A lot of EV makers, Teslas especially, use proprietary parts and restrict access to their diagnostic software. That means your local independent shop often can't do the work, and you get funneled to manufacturer service centers where the labor rates are higher and the wait can be longer. Less competition on repairs means higher costs, and the insurer prices that in. Third is the battery. The battery pack is the single most expensive component in the car, and if it gets damaged in a crash, replacing it can cost a huge portion of the car's value. Insurers know that, and they price for the risk that even a moderate accident could mean a very expensive battery claim. And fourth, the cars are just expensive to begin with. A higher sticker price means a higher payout if the car gets totaled, and that flows straight into your premium. Put those four things together, complex repairs, the proprietary parts, the battery risk, and the high value, and you get an insurance bill that runs well above a comparable gas car. Why Teslas specifically get hit hardest? Teslas take all those EV factors and turn the dial up. The proprietary parts issue is more extreme with Tesla than almost any other brand because Tesla controls its own repair network tightly. The technology is more advanced, which means more sensors and more to go wrong in a crash. And because Teslas hold a high value and get driven a lot, the claim numbers add up. There's also a performance angle. Many Teslas are genuinely fast, and insurers treat acceleration the way they treat any high-performance car. More speed tends to mean more and costlier claims. So a Model 3 Performance can cost noticeably more to insure than a base Model 3, even though they look almost identical. Now, none of this means a Tesla is a bad buy. It just means the insurance line in your budget needs to be bigger than you might expect. And it means shopping smart matters more than it does with an average car. How to actually lower your EV insurance. Now the part that saves you money. The good news is that EV premiums vary a lot between companies, which means there's real room to cut your bill if you do a few things. The single most effective move is to shop multiple insurers because the spread on EVs is enormous. To put real numbers on it, State Farm has come in around $2,069 a year for a Tesla Model 3, while other major companies charge well over double that for the same car. State Farm, Nationwide, and Geico tend to be among the cheaper options for Teslas. If you've been with the same company for years and never reshopped after buying your EV, you could be leaving thousands of dollars or more on the table. The second option is Tesla's own insurance. In more than a dozen states, Tesla owners can buy coverage directly through Tesla Insurance. And instead of basing your rate mostly on demographics, it uses a real-time safety score pulled from the car's own data. It watches things like hard braking, aggressive cornering, and how closely you follow other cars. If you're a genuinely safe, smooth driver, this can drop your premium meaningfully because you're being priced on how you actually drive rather than on averages. If you drive aggressively though, it can work against you, so it rewards the calm drivers. Third, ask specifically about EV and hybrid discounts. some companies, including Travelers and Lemonade, offer discounts aimed at electric and hybrid vehicles. These aren't always advertised, so you have to ask. Fourth, if you're still shopping for the car, get an insurance quote on the specific VIN before you buy. Insurance costs can vary a lot between trims and model years, and checking the real quote ahead of time is now smart as checking the battery range. It can be the difference between two trims that look similar on the lot but cost very different amounts to insure over the years you own them. One thing I'd avoid: don't drop collision or comprehensive coverage just to save money on an expensive EV. With repair and replacement costs this high, going without that coverage on a car worth tens of thousands of dollars is a serious gamble. The smarter play is to keep the coverage and lower the price by shopping and stacking discounts. Putting it all together. So here's the takeaway. Electric cars cost roughly half again as much to insure as gas cars, and Teslas sit near the top of that range because of expensive, complex repairs, proprietary parts, battery risk, and high vehicle value. That part you can't really change. What you can change is how much you pay within that reality. Shop at least 3 or 4 companies because the spread is huge, and one insurer might charge half what another does for the same exact car. Look hard at Tesla insurance if you're a safe driver and it's offered in your state. Ask about EV discounts, check the VIN before you buy, and keep your deductible at a level you can actually afford. Now, if you want to compare EV and auto coverage options for your exact situation, the link in the description lets you run some quotes side by side so you can see what you'd really pay before you commit. And if you want to see which insurance option is best for your situation, we'll leave our affiliate links below to surveys that you can take. These are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And your support through these links help keep our channel going and allows us to keep creating free content just like this. So if you end up using those links, we really appreciate it if you do. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we provide clear, in-depth guides and comparisons to help you understand different types of insurance and make smarter decisions about protecting your life, your family, and your lifestyle. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.